Hey everybody, welcome back to Great Lakes Junction. I hope everybody's doing good. It is cloudy, damp, and just yucky here. So we're gonna make a great big pot of taco soup. So let's get to it. I have my big pot here, and we have about a tablespoon of olive oil in the bottom. We're just going to saute off some onions. And we're just going to get them to the point that they're translucent. Okay, we've got about a pound of ground beef. And if you watched any of my videos before, I don't use a whole pound because there's only 3 of us here. So I also have some garlic. We're just going to soften that up a little bit. And I have some hot peppers that I canned. They're kind of like chili peppers. If you don't want them, that's fine. You can get canned chilies at the grocery store, same thing. Okay, so that's been there 3 or 4 minutes, maybe not even that. So that is 15 to 16 ounces of diced tomatoes, and the same for salsa, about 2 cups. Now, if you want to add corn to this, you can. We are not huge corn eaters here, so don't think I'm going to add it. So those are kidney beans. And these are my canned pinto beans. And we have 2 cups of beef broth. If you wanted this to go a little bit further, you could add 4 cups of broth instead. So I've made my own ranch mix. 2 tablespoons is equal to 1 package. I've made my own mix for quite a while now, and I'll never buy store-bought again. It's super easy to make and it tastes fantastic. And our last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Or you can just put your own spices in there. Chili powder, cumin, onion powder, garlic. Anything like that would be awesome in there. So this is going to sit and simmer for about 40 minutes. Just to get everything melded together. And all those flavors throughout. And this would be a super recipe for a slow cooker as well. You could throw it in there on low for 4 to 6 hours if you wanted to. So we will come back when this is all done and we're ready to plate it up. I just tasted it to see if the spices were okay, and I think it needs some oregano. So I'm just going to add a little bit. If you don't want to put this in, you do not have to. You could add a little bit of basil as well if you felt you need to. It was just missing something. I'm going to put some basil in it as well. Not much, just a little bit. We're gonna let this keep cooking for a little bit longer, and we'll be back. Okay, it's all done. It smells fantastic. It tastes great. Just gonna top it off with a bit of sour cream and a bit of cheese. Now you could toast up some tortillas and put on top, or even just use some chips to put on top. I'm actually warmed up some naan bread. It is my favorite to go with it, to dunk it in. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this recipe, hit that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and follow along. Hit the bell so you'll be notified of the next video that comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, stay safe.